Hello guys, good morning. My name is William and I'm here to take you through a presentation of using Microsoft Word, and today we want to study about how to open Microsoft Word and how to use the application, since Microsoft Word is an application that is used for the manipulation of text and creation of documents. And briefly, I want to show you on how to open it and how to use the application. Good, thank you so much, and I hope that you will enjoy as we continue. Now, let me just go direct on how to open the Microsoft Word application. I've done an illustration, as you can see on my next slide there, but let me just move to first of all go to back to this slide. Now, how to open Microsoft Word application. So click on Microsoft Word. Click on the start button. Start button is a button that is on the taskbar, and the taskbar is located at the bottom of the screen. That is the screen, the appearance of the screen, that is the desktop. So we have the start button. Click on it, and then you click on all programs, then you click on Microsoft Word, and then you click the Microsoft Word Office. Now, depending on the version that you are using, it will be indicated on that part. So it all depends on the version that you're using of your Word. So in my presentation, I've I've indicated I'm using Word 207. No, Microsoft Office 207. So that is in my illustration. But for me to illustrate that practically, let me just show you. So I'll click start button. Start button on the keyboard. This is the start button. Then I will just click. I can search here word word, and then I'll just open it. So in my machine, I'm using Word 2019, but in the illustration part, I'm using 207. So, but it is the same way. So if I click on blank document, then I will have opened a blank Word document. So where I will start typing or creating my document. Now I've illustrated there. So as you can see, the first step says that click start button. That is step one. As you can see, we have the start button there. Then step number 2 says that you click on all programs, and then step number 3, you can see there the folder containing Microsoft Office. So whereby if you click that folder, you get all the Office programs. So Microsoft Word is indicated somewhere here, as you can see there. That is now the step number 4. Good. Now, very well. So after opening the Microsoft Word, now anytime you open a certain program, then what opens is what we refer to as a Windows. Windows is the working area. So this is the working area that opens the moment you click the Microsoft Word document. Or yeah. So let's first of all see something on the Windows and try to navigate on it. Very well. So we have the very first part of Windows is known as the title bar. The title bar contains the title or the name of the program and the file created by that program. Anytime you open a program, it creates something referred to as a file. So as you can see at the top of my window, I've indicated we have this part known as the title bar containing the title of the program, which is Microsoft Word, and the name of the file, that is document1. But as we save this file, you will see that the name of the file will change according to the name that we are going to give our file. Very well. Then we have what referred to as the quick access toolbar. Very well. So this is the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar, it is a part of the window that assists you to access certain tabs uh, in a quicker way. So then we have the ribbon. The ribbon is there. This is the ribbon. The ribbon contains the now before we go to the ribbon, we have the menu bar. The menu bar, which contains the tabs. Now the tabs assist the user in performing a certain task within the working area. So we have there file, home, insert. Those are the tabs. Then we have the ribbon. The ribbon is there. We have the ruler. The ruler, I've indicated the ruler, as you can see. We have the scroll bars. The scroll bars assist you to scroll horizontally and vertically within your working area. We have the help button that is at the top right corner somewhere. You can see it there. Now if there is a certain issue or there is a certain part that you cannot recall very well and you want to do a certain task within your working area, now the help button will assist you in that. Now help button, um, you can also use F1 on the keyboard, because F1 stands for, it's a shortcut for the help button. Very well. Then we have the working area. The working area, this is where now the moment you manipulate text, your text will be held at the working area. And then we have the status bar at the bottom of the page, at the bottom of the working area. The status bar contains the page number and the words within the page number, and all that. So you will get that at the status bar. Now that is a short brief on the parts of the working area or the windows the moment you open the Microsoft Word Windows. So those are some of the parts that you will be using. Very well, we have the features and all that I've already explained. So how to close the Microsoft Word. To close, click on the file button, click on exit Word, and then you will have closed that button. Very well, I've illustrated here using a diagram, a screenshot, and then I've illustrated it there. So this is the file button or the office button. That is on step number 1. Then after that, step number 2, we have the exit Word button there. That is, you can click there. Alternatively, you can as well as click the close button at the right corner. Very well, I've indicated there. Very well. Now, opening an existing document, given the procedure there and the illustration there, you can as well as see. So click on the file button or the office button, and then click on the open button. Let me point on it. That is step number 2. Click on the command open. Then after that, step number 3, click the folder containing your document. It may be a desktop or whichever. So the moment you click open, then the computer opens what we refer to as the Windows Explorer. The Windows Explorer assists you. Now this part here, this is the Windows Explorer. The Windows Explorer assists you to access a certain location within your computer. So we have different locations within the computer. So depending on where your file is, the location that it is, then just go there. It might be desktop, it might be on the desktop, might be on the library, it might be on the memories of the computer. So just go there. Now if the file is within a folder, open that folder as I've illustrated on step number 4, and then you'll get the folder will open. Then inside you'll get your file, and then after that you just click on the file that you want, and then you will